How to get best audio from Insta360 GO Ultra. So, once your device is turned on, scroll down below, then swipe towards the left-hand side. Then you'll see audio settings. Select on it. Now over here you can see various settings. On top you can see auto wind noise reduction, which is strong. If you select on this option, the noise will be controlled on a very strong level while you are recording a video. You can see other various options below as well. Now you can see voice enhancement option. This is suitable for vlog scenarios. For example, food vlogging. Then you can see original audio. This is suitable for music and other scenarios. For original audio, this setting is suitable if you are in a loud environment like in concerts. Now, if you scroll up above, you can see this equalizer option. Select on it. Now you can go ahead and tap on mic gain. From here, you can choose the decibels accordingly. Now again, if you go back, you can see Bluetooth mic gain as well. If your device is connected to a Bluetooth device, you can arrange or adjust the decibel of audio accordingly. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.